Okay, well it turns over. That's a good thing. So let's see if we can get a little fire in the hole here. A little bit of gas just in the carb. There we go. And let's see what happens. This would make me happy. Here we go. Gotta love that. But now I have a different motor to put in this one. So I'm taking this motor back and I'm going to put it in the little yellow tractor. And so I've spent an hour or so getting some parts off, steering wheel and carb and stuff like that. And now I've got the motor ready to lift out. I can't lift that, but I'm going to use my little cherry picker there. And I'll get that. Okay, this one is out successfully, and now it's bring the other tractor in and insert it in there.